Thank you very much.
Oh, okay.
How it comes. That's the really good thing about it. That's really good.
Assembly 2010, we are ready to have some more fun again this year, aren't we? Yeah! Thank you. Right, first I want to thank our sponsors for this year's event. They are Transformers at the Moon. Zyber Toys. Yeah! Big Bad Toy Store. Robot Kingdom. Yeah! 3 Darts. Alright! Science Fiction Collectibles! Woo! Hobby Link Japan! Yeah! Toys and Games! Yeah! Woo! Transmasters UK! Woo! And not forgetting Hasbro, of course. Yeah! What a win! Apologies to anyone I've forgotten. I have sponsors, but I don't need to prizes for you. Baby! Right, who remembers the cosplay competition last year? There's a few. But we got that again this year. It's actually official. Who remembers the Megatron then? Yeah, where is the guy that entered the Megatron? Yeah, Steve, come up and I've got something for you. Steve, come here. Come on. Quickly, I'm got you, Dave. I know that Steve made an absolute amazing effort with his costume last year, so I've got a little gift. There you go, mate. This is for you. Oh, there you go, mate. Well, you've got your shield now. You can enter, so go and register over the desk. Steve's also the crazy person that paid a £5 for the tread bolt that we've destroyed. Now, who likes that tread bolt mould? Yeah. Exactly. Chris McFree's like, yeah, it's me, it's me. Well, because we destroyed it last year, and the poor guy cried, Mr. McFree, I've got one for you. So come up here and get your present. Yeah, that's nice. I'm not John. Smash it! No, there you go, Chris. Right, as I said, we got an absolute wicked weekend for you. We got a charity charity raffle, thank you. You can pick up your raffle tickets from the registration desk.
Someone needs a drink.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have They're 20p a ticket. Don't forget to pick up your convention packs, again, at the registration desks. Merchandise, lots and lots of goodies. You've got the convention exclusive comic, so don't forget to pick up that. It's IDW Transformers issue 9. Art is by Nick Roche. And they're available from Toys and Games. Mugs, keyrings can all be bought at the registration desk. Don't forget to pick them up. Cybertraining Times is selling out or sold? No, it's sold out. Sold out. Cybertraining Times sold out. Sorry. And those are only staying today for the Saturday. Don't forget you can upgrade and you can get your party pass so you can see Scott and Gary on the stage and having fun. And they're only £10 as well, so go if you want to stay for that, go over the registration desk and book it up. As I said, we've got the cosplay competition, we've got face painting outside, it's going to be an awesome weekend. We've also got the script reading tonight. And we have Gary Chalk on there, Scott McNeil, Simon Williams, Nick Roche, and congratulations to the winners, Ray McComb as Grimlock. Where is he? Yeah, cheer, come on. Cheer. Andrea Tang, I know where she is, she's over there. Black Arachnia. And Glenn Jackman as Michael Burt. Where is he? Where is he? In the bar. They will need to go to the Arden Suite first floor at 5 PM for a script rehearsal. Sorry? Did I not say that? Half 5. Did I? Sorry, half 5. Right, everything's a bit changed, as you know, this year. So, you've got all these committee members, so I want to bring them up on stage, let them introduce yourselves to you. You pretty much all know who I am. The big Dino Tron, and Alderman you. So let's bring Billy Edwards up to the stage. Where is he? Here he comes. Give that a round of applause. Come on.
He did this to me last year as well. Last year I had something to say because we were on like 499 attendees and I was anxiously going, have we got anybody on the door? Is somebody coming in? Last I checked we had like 570 or something this year. 571 the man tells me, so big round of applause. Now I'm going to, I've messed the F up, that's good, I've done that before. I'm going to go quite quickly, just a quick word on what I've done this year. Primarily I've been organising the charity auctions. We've got some good stuff in there, so much so that we're going to have 2 auctions and a raffle this year. So one Saturday, one Sunday, and raffle draws throughout the weekend. So please bid, well, just bid well, basically, because it's for charity. Dean, can we have the next one, please? Next one, Mr. Dave Wallace.
What have I done this year? Not a lot. I have subjected you to my face countless times if you've been watching the YouTube videos to that. I apologise. I've essentially just been sort of doing what I do best and running my mouth and telling people how awesome Auto Assembly is. So, don't make me a liar. Thank you.
Right, next to...
Yeah, I think these 2 guys should come up together because if you don't know yet, they've made fantastic contributions to Auto Assembly this year, and I want them to tell us about it themselves. It's the Mapes brothers, Steve and Dave. Come on up here.